Welcome to our retaining wall project in Duxbury, Massachusetts. We're here to explore step 4 of the 6-step process of building retaining walls, which is installing and leveling the first course and drainage considerations. Now that our base has been installed and compacted, we're ready to install our first course of wall block. Now, just as we stressed the critical nature of the base construction, I can't stress enough the importance of our first course of wall block installation. Attention must be given to each block being level in all directions and to each other to guarantee the rest of the wall will follow suit. One option that will allow easier leveling of the first course is to leave 1 inch for a screeding layer, typically with a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch chip stone. You'd screed material with pipes similar to what you would do on a paver project. An additional option is to use Unilock's universal base block to aid in the speed of installing your first course of block. It's a solid concrete slab that's 2 inches thick and 14 by 19 inches of surface area. Leveling these blocks and building off of them with your first course of wall block is more efficient than leveling individual small units and provides a more stable footing for your wall. Regardless of what you use to start your first course, you must ensure each block is level from front to back and side to side. Also check level occasionally with a 6 or 8 foot level to maintain level throughout your entire wall. String lines are also helpful to maintain the straightness of the entire wall. The next thing to consider is the drainage design of the project. Now, poor draining soils or severe slopes will require additional means of getting water away from the back of the wall. Typically, this is with a perforated drain pipe wrapped in a filter fabric or sock placed behind the first course of wall block. The pipe should be pitched at a minimum of 2% to an area away from the base of the wall, either an open area or a collection area. For longer walls, the rule of thumb is to create an outflow no more than 50 feet in either direction. Now that we have our first course done and drainage installed, we can begin to stack successive courses. Thanks for joining us on the job site. We hope you've gained some helpful insight in leveling and installing the first course of wall block.